Hi, I'm here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, my menu is Tortang Talong, and then I'm going to fire roast in the gas stove. I prepare here 2 talong and then 3 eggs. And then it's very simple menu. This is the one always I'm doing every day before I go to work, and then so easy. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's do start. And then I turn on the fire like this, and then I cook the talong here. I'm doing to fire roast. I open 2 burner. One each one. Alright. Yeah. Now, it's starting to steam now, and then the skin is starting to peel. Means it's just almost ready to cook. You see that, guys? It's almost cooked. Now guys, I put here now, and then I need to take off the skin, but you need to be careful if you're going to take off the skin because it's so hot and then your hand is getting burned, and then you need to be careful, okay? And then I wait a little bit to cool down, and I'm going to start to put the egg here. And then I'm going to scramble the egg. I use the fork. I add on one more thing. Salt. And pepper. Black pepper. Now I'm going to take out the skin. Okay. then you need to wash your hands because you need to wash the hand because it's so hot. It's still hot. You need to put your hand in the water like this. Whew. It's okay if we have if you let little bit skin. It's fine. Now the eggplant is ready, and then I put together the eggplant and egg. Like this. Now I'm going to heat the pan now. Okay, I put in the pan now. You need to be careful, guys, in the oil.
At least this one actually works as opposed to the other one.
Now it's cooked now. I need to turn the other side. Cooked already. I put in the plate now. Okay guys, the Tortang Talong, it's done now. Okay, I wish you enjoy in my YouTube channel, in my video. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching. See you next time.